This 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16BL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, LP detector, external shower, oven, skylight, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, smoke detector, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16BL is 3,976 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.